November 2022 is a milestone in the civil aviation sector of Goa. On 26th of October 2022, the DGCA has issued the aerodrome license, which is a public use category to GMR Goa International Airport Limited for new Goa airport situated at Mopa. We are a great example of civil military corporations. The Dabolim Airport, on which you have landed in Goa, is a joint use aerodrome owned by Indian Navy and also open for the public use. Airport Authority of India manages the civil air terminal at Dabolim Airport. We are in the process of operationalizing the new greenfield airport at Mopa soon. This will indeed be a feather in the cap of Goa and also will open more travel opportunities to and from Goa. I take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India, the DGCA for their continuous support, and also AI, the Air Navigation Services, for providing CNS, ATM services and infrastructure at this new airport. Soon, for the first time, air traffic service in the part of Goan airspace will be provided by the civilian controllers. As I mentioned, this event couldn't have happened at a more appropriate time. The 5th biennial Hotelivate, the state ranking survey for the tourism done in association with the World Travel and Tourism Council of Indian Initiatives, has ranked Goa 3rd in the list, top of the 5 states in the tourism. The addition of the new H24 Greenfield Airport, the Mopa, with another busy international airport, and Dabolim, and will be fuel the growth of tourism in Goa, and definitely the catapults us to the position of the strength from where we shall via from the higher ranking.